I was not happy with the color of my teeth, the shape of my teeth. I always wanted a better smile, but for the when I'd go to the dentist and finally got the work done that I needed, and then I started going routinely. But I was always anxious about even going for a dental cleaning, just getting my teeth cleaned. I would get nervous. I would get anxious about that. But I would go and then I take care of whatever needs I might have. I believe it was on the radio, just hearing their advertisements. They would talk about sedation dentistry. Not that I necessarily needed that, but I was very interested because they talked about keeping the patient comfortable. That was always a message that hit home with me personally. So I just decided that I would reach out to them and see if they were accepting new patients. When they told me that I was going to need an implant, they showed me a model, an example of what was going to be done, how the procedure would be done, and made sure I understand the procedure and how many visits it would take to get the procedure done. The doctor has always treated me from day one to now when I come in the same way. I feel important. He calls me by name, and I mean, from just seeing how I'm doing to explaining the procedure that I'm going to have done, everything is just first class. It's crazy to hear myself say that I don't mind coming to the dentist, but now I know my teeth are straight, I know my teeth are white, and I just have a confidence that I didn't have before when it comes to meeting people for the first time, especially. I don't mind smiling at all.